Hello watchers, welcome. Today I'm quite happy and a little bit nervous also. Well, happy मैं इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि एक वॉच जिसको मैं बहुत टाइम से ट्रैक करने की कोशिश कर रहा था, फाइनली आई गॉट सक्सेसफुल इन ट्रैकिंग इट इन इंडिया इटसेल्फ. तो इंडिया में मुझे वो बहुत अच्छे प्राइस की मिली. आई इनफैक्ट गॉट ए 40% डिस्काउंट. येस, यू हर्ड इट करेक्टली, 40% डिस्काउंट ऑन दैट वॉच. एंड वाई आई एम नर्वस, वो जैसे ही हम इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे you will come to know in a little while. Okay, so without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. Alright, so nice SEIKO box out there. Yeah, it took me some time to take it out, but it was worth it, I guess. Alright, so nothing in the box. Something written over there. I don't think it's of any much use to me. Anyways, alright, little bit of drum roll. Let's see what is in there. Okay, so some documents and this. Oh wow, here it is. Beautiful, isn't it? Let me quickly take that beauty out. Alright, something in here. I think as you can see है तो ये बहुत पुरानी, काफ़ी टाइम से it was just being sitting at some place I suppose, but that's fine, it was worth the wait. We have a certificate of guarantee. I hope it's all original and stuff. Let me keep it here. Wow, nice. Nothing else is in the box. Cushion. Let me take it out. Wow, beautiful. Nice. Water resistance is 20 bar. Made in Japan. Okay, let's take off the stickers. Oh, and frankly I was actually thinking कि ये थोड़ा ही बड़ी होगी मेरे लिए, but now in reality I think it's pretty decent, not that big as I was expecting it to be. Wow, beautiful. Let's see if I can get the camera focused. Quite nice. Okay, so the reason why I was nervous is, as per the boutique guys जहाँ से मैंने इसको ख़रीदा है, उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि ये डिस्प्ले पीस था, so there is probability कि इस पे कुछ scratches हो, not on the screen itself, I'm sure, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it, लेकिन on the bracelet, but I can't see any, which is good thing for me, because अगर वो होते तो शायद मुझे इनको buff कराना पड़ता, polish कराना पड़ता. As per them ये एक डिस्प्ले पीस था जिसकी वजह से इसको थोड़े से कहीं scratches पड़े हो सकते हैं, but I can't see it, and which is a good thing for me, and that is the reason they gave me around 40% discount on this piece. Generally what they give is around 15 to 20%, but you know, after a little bit of bargaining and stuff, they were ready to sell it to me on 40% discount, which is really a bargain. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be that economical. So very nice. Now I actually haven't got the hang of it yet. It will take me some time कि इसके मैं functions देखूँगा. But guys, basically this is an aviation watch. Now, aviation watches are the watches which generally pilots wear, but I'm no pilot of course, but मुझे पसंद है watches. I have diver, I have dress, I have casual, fashion, so I thought why not go with the Flightmaster and aviation watch this time. So this aviation watch, if you know about Breitling, so Breitling makes great aviation watches like Navy Timer, so you can't say this is a homage to that watch because it has its own character, but yes, you can say that it has taken some of the cues from that higher end watch, but nonetheless it has its own character and on charisma, I guess. I'm not sure if you're able to see it that clearly because the camera is probably not focusing it that good. I hope you are. This is actually beautiful. Very nice. Very nice in fact. Let's see if it has some dimensions written out there. I'm not sure. Keep it that way. Okay, so not sure. I think this is pretty much the standard one that comes with every watch. So this is for the unboxing. Next time probably we'll review it in the details. I'll come up with the dimensions and all, and also my views and how I found this watch to be. It's a quartz watch, but very nice. Chronometer, if you can see that, you can see the second dial running. Why? So yeah, Very nice. Stopping it. Let's see. Okay, I guess you need to unscrew this a little bit. Oh yeah, very nice. Okay guys, I think this is it for this video. I'll be wearing it and then I'll be sharing my views, my feedback about this watch. So see you on the other side. Bye bye.